Whether you're into taking leisurely morning bike rides, a serious competitor in mountain or road biking, or even just use your bike as your preferred way to commute through hectic city traffic, there's a specific advanced bike out there made to suit your needs. Number 1. Saunders. If you're determined and steadfast in your decision to drive a zero-emission vehicle for your short hops and jumps to work, school, or the store, you might want to have a look at the new edition Sondors Electric bike. Designer Storm Saunders has taken the world by, storm with the introduction of the Saunders e-bike. The basic model of these affordable and versatile bikes comes in under the $500 range and is powered by a 350-watt brushless motor and a 36-volt 12.8 ampere-hour Samsung Cells battery pack. Specs of this all-terrain bike include a top speed of 20 miles per hour, a 50-mile range, and all-terrain tires for wet or dry conditions. It's suitable for most driving conditions, even on snow, dirt, pavement, and sand. It accelerates with a thumb throttle on the handle and can be ridden in full electric mode, or if you want the extra exercise, you can switch over to the pedal assist mode. If you're looking to lighten your load, you can purchase the lightweight aluminum frame, which weighs in at around 43 pounds without the battery, with the battery adding approximately 6 pounds to the overall weight. You can also opt for the narrower tires, which will further lighten the total weight of the bike. Various upgrades and color options are available, and with the knowledge that Saunders is the largest e-bike distributor in the U.S. and sold in 42 countries worldwide, you'll be satisfied with purchasing this affordable and green transportation system. Number 2. The Lopa Fit walking bike. Lopa Fit is a new generation walking bike recently introduced on the market, constructed, assembled, and imported from the Netherlands, the bicycle capital of the world. This bike is a new way of moving and exercising, proven beneficial to your overall heart health. The Lopa Fit is propelled by a 350-watt motor and a 48-volt ampere-hour lithium-ion battery, turning the bike into a treadmill as you walk. The battery pack has enough power to get you between 30 to 50 miles before requiring a recharge. An inbuilt electric assist combines with the adjustable multi-speed gears to boost the rider's walking pace to match those of a regular bike. Personal preference allows the rider to choose a gear or tempo which will get them up to speeds of between 3 and 30 miles per hour. Personalizing your ride is as simple as choosing from the 4 available colors: black, blue, red, and green. You're guaranteed state-of-the-art and top-quality brand components such as Bafang and LG in all assemblies. And all this is backed with a full 2-year limited warranty. This is the newest low physical impact and high cardio, high calorie burn exercise currently available. And you can do it all in the beautiful outdoors with a summer or winter breeze blowing through your hair. Number 3. The Juggernaut Bullfrog Trike. You can now go where a bicycle can't go and where a car won't go. You can ride where so many others only dare to tread. All this is made possible by Rungu's Juggernaut Fat Tire Bullfrog Trike. The trike has a long wheelbase design and 3 4.7-inch fat tires to help improve float on snow and sand by over 50% over standard fat bikes. It's manufactured with an aluminum frame with an extended wheelbase for better weight distribution. It's been equipped with low gearing for even the most challenging terrain and has a hydraulic rear brake for dependable braking, no matter what the weather or temperature throws your way. The Juggernaut has various mounting points for e-bike kits or overhead racks. It makes use of shoulder-width front wheel spacing to improve the handling of the trike. And there's a 100mm bottom bracket and crankset to assist with the chain clearance around the 4.7-inch tires. They've used dual front brakes to improve the brake force up to double that of a standard bike. According to Rungu, even when going at crawling speed, the Juggernaut Bullfrog trike can overcome obstacles up to 6 inches tall thanks to a stabilizing pair of 26-inch front wheels with over 29 inches in projected diameter. Number 4. The Abike Electric. The world's lightest, most compact electric bike, the Abike Electric has a telescopic design, meaning it can be folded up to fit into any storage space for your journey. With the electric power assistance, riding is made easy, and the Abike Electric can easily reach speeds of up to 15 miles or 25 kilometers per hour. This compact electric bike guarantees more freedom and fun for all your journeys ahead. With the Abike Electric, you have no more delays while waiting on public transport. It can be transformed and ready in less than 10 seconds, and you can now arrive happy and on time. Because it's so light and compact, the Abike Electric can be transformed and taken with you, so no more looking for space in the bike park. All you have to do is start pedaling, then the power assistance automatically kicks in, and intelligent sensors detect when you're slowing down and provide more power assistance as you need it without you having to break a sweat. It has a quick charge 24-volt battery and 4 LEDs to indicate how much power you have left. There's a dual chain drive and a brushless motor, which all combine to give your legs a more comfortable ride. Number 5. The Bird of Prey. John Aldridge is the inventor of the world's safest racing bike, the Bird of Prey. It's a semi-prone bike that allows you to keep your head up to continually survey the road ahead of you. The Bird of Prey uses all the standard bike parts and accessories with the aluminum frame manufactured in Asia. Aesthetically, this bike is pleasing to the eye. With curving shapes and designs, it's exceptionally aerodynamic, even more so than a typical sit-down bike. And this feature helps save tons of energy. On the Bird of Prey, the rider's body is positioned as if swimming in water, allowing the rider to push and pull on the pedals, exactly the same motion as running with fully extended legs. Supported at the hips by soft catcher mitt leather-covered supports, the placement of the rider's body allows the cyclist to pedal in a fast, spinning action. One of the Bird of Prey's most important features is the low center of gravity. This helps give the bike speed around corners. It has a 60-tooth rear chainring and connects to a 3611 cassette, surpassing all other models of sit-down bikes. The Bird of Prey stops at the drop of a hat within a shorter distance and is designed to keep the rider from toppling head over heels over the handlebars. Number 6. The GFly. The GFly is an electric, smart, maintenance-free folding bicycle sporting full-size 26-inch wheels made for urban commuting. The GFly, with the help of the Fly folding system, folds in one single motion and in only 1 second. It has a GPS that syncs wirelessly with iOS and Android, and a USB phone charger that stays connected, ensuring you'll never run out of battery power. The GFly sports solid anti-puncture tires, never leaving you stranded at the side of the road with a flat. And the belt drive ensures maintenance-free riding with no grease and even less noise. The GFly bike can complete a trip of up to 40 miles or 60 kilometers on a single lithium iron phosphate 4 battery charge and has a fantastic smart locking system that automatically locks once you're 10 feet or 5 meters away from your bike. The GFly bike also has an app designed specifically for you, which controls the LED smart lights remotely. You can also create a personal profile on the app and share your GFly bike experience with your friends. The app can be downloaded on the App Store or Google Play and gives you full control of all the bike's features. The GFly is not only technologically advanced, but also very sustainable. Number 7. Pesu. The Pesu is the world's fastest quick-response electric mountain bike. It has less than 10 milliseconds response time, an ultra-short chainstay design to enhance controllability, and high-end components that perfectly meet all your needs and fulfill your wildest cycling dreams. There are 2 different Pesu bikes available. The Pesu Monster, a 27.5-inch cross-country electric mountain bike, and the Pesu Volador, The 27.5-inch all-mountain electric bike with a 350-watt TTM powerful PT drive unit. The Pesu Volador is equipped with a 150mm front fork to reduce turbulence and is more suitable for use on a slope or steep hill. The 203mm front disc and the 180mm rear disc let you slow down and stop in an instant. The Pesu Monster is equipped with either a 205-watt or 350-watt drive unit, and the frame includes a tapered head tube to enhance the stability and absorb shocks. With the SR Suntour XCM 100mm suspension fork and 180mm disc brakes, the Pesu Monster is best suited for mountain bike trails, paved surfaces, and roads. The shorter chainstays on these bikes ensure maneuverability, and the frames were designed for shock absorption. It offers a connected cycling computer with a 3-inch screen, where you can read the battery level, current, average, and max speed, and distance, both total and current interval.